Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change sound mode on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. In settings, go to sounds and vibration. And sounds and vibration, you can see the sound mode is set into sounds. Okay, you can change it into vibrate or you can change into mute. So, okay guys, I decide to change into vibrate. And that's it. We have successfully changed sound mode on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.